Radiansome 100 Microfluidizer Essential Toner. Milky toner with powerful ingredients for maximum hydration. Preps skin for a balanced complexion. Key ingredients: RK Snowflake, exclusive ingredients for a brightening effect. Vita-Whitesome, exclusive ingredients with 5 vitamin complexes aid in vitality and skin brightness. Collagenere, patented ingredient that helps enhance skin elasticity. Pancratium meridimum, extract, helps brighten skin and enhance elasticity. Abelmoschus manahat jinhuakui, extract, patented ingredient that helps brighten skin and enhance elasticity. Key benefits: tones and prepares your skin, allowing products to go on smoother and absorb better, all while creating a protective barrier. Exclusive raw materials of RK Snowflake and Vita-Whitesome moisturize and infuse the skin with vitamins. Completed skin primary irritation test. EWG All Green Huahai 20 free grade mild and safe formula. How to use: apply toner to your palm, gently pat all over your face until toner is fully absorbed. Follow toner with the Microfluidizer ampule. Use the dropper to apply directly to face and then gently spread product over your face. Finish by applying Microfluidizer Cream to your face and massage gently. Recommended: Step Essential Toner, Ampule, Cream.